Hello friends, today we will learn Angular 4 interview questions. So the first question is, what is Angular 4? Angular 4 or Angular is a TypeScript based open source front-end web application platform led by Angular team at Google. What is the difference between Angular 2 and Angular 4? There is no path-breaking difference between Angular 2 and Angular 4. Angular 4 is simply the next version of Angular 2. The underlying components are same. Angular 4 is faster than Angular 2. The apps developed in Angular 4 are 5 times faster and smaller as compared to Angular 2. The TypeScript 2.1 and 2.2 are compatible in Angular 4. What is the use of interceptors in Angular 4? The interceptors are commonly used to set default headers for all responses. How to set HTTP request header in Angular 4 and Angular 2? The HTTP interceptors are used to set HTTP header request in Angular 4 using the import from angular/common/http. The HTTP interceptors are available in Angular 4x versions. The HTTP interceptors are not supported in Angular 2, where we create HTTP client injectable classes to achieve this. How to get and log an error in Angular 4? There are two types of error. The first is if backend return an unsuccessful response like 404, 500 and so on. And second is if something goes wrong in the client side like network error, etc. In both cases, we can use HTTP error response to get useful information on what went wrong in the call. What is JSON Web Token? JSON Web Token is an open standard which is used for securely transmitting information between parties as JSON object. The JWT can be signed with HMAC algorithm and RSA algorithm. What is TypeScript? In simple word, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, meaning any JavaScript code is valid TypeScript code. TypeScript follows the ECMA 2015 standards, which contain features like generic namespaces, enumerated type, and interfaces. What is NPM and why do we need it? The NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It is an online repository and works as a package manager for JavaScript. What are components in Angular 4? Angular is based on components, as components are the logical piece of code which consist of classes, template and metadata. Components are used to bind model and template while also providing logical part. How to share global data across components. In Angular 4, services are used to share data between different components, as one component could pass the data to the service while another component could read from it. Therefore, the data service could pass the data from one component to the multiple components. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe us for more videos.